इस कार्यक्रम के प्रायोजक हैं महावीर एजुकेशनल पार्क, सरदाना रोड, मेरठ।
भारत ने पाकिस्तान में भारतीय नौसेना के पूर्व अधिकारी कुलभूषण जाधव को जासूसी के आरोप में सुनाए गए मृत्युदंड को तत्काल निलंबित करने की मांग करते हुए इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस के सामने पड़ोसी देश को बेनकाब किया। साथ ही भारत ने आशंका जताई कि इस मामले में ICJ का फैसला आने से पहले ही पाकिस्तान कुलभूषण को फांसी दे सकता है। भारत के वकील हरीश साल्वे ने अपनी दलीलों में बताया कि किस तरह पाकिस्तान ने बुनियादी मानवाधिकारों और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कानूनों की धज्जियां उड़ाईं।
I express on behalf of my country gratitude for having fixed this hearing at such a short notice. I want to commence by assuring this court that the situation in which we find ourselves is grave, it is urgent, and it is for that reason that we have sought the indulgence of this court for a hearing for the indication of provisional measures. I shall, Mr. President and esteemed members of the court, first give you a brief overview of the facts and then address you on the following 4 issues. The jurisprudence of this court as to the principles for indication of provisional measures. The prima facie case as to the jurisdiction of this court to entertain India's application. The prima facie case of violation of the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations 1963. And finally, I would state the nature of the provisional measures that India seeks. The Republic of India, I shall be referring to it as India, has moved this application under Article 40 of the Statute of this Court, seeking release from this Court to remedy egregious violations of the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations 1963. I shall be referring to it as the Vienna Convention. It is against the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, who I shall be referring to as Pakistan. An Indian national, Mr. Kulbhushan Sudhir Jadhav, whom I shall refer to as Jadhav, was allegedly arrested on the 3rd of March 2016 and has been in custody. He was tried by a military court in Pakistan and has been convicted and sentenced to death, which sentence was confirmed on 10th of April 2017. It is not in dispute that India has made innumerable requests since March 2016 for consular access. Pakistan admittedly did not provide consular access. India claims that the rights of the individual and the rights of India under Article 36 of the Vienna Convention have been violated all along from the time of the alleged arrest of Jadhav. Pakistan did not inform the consular post of India about the arrest of Jadhav at the time of the alleged arrest, and India received information of his arrest only on 25th March 2016. Despite India's requests, Pakistan has denied consular officers the right to visit Jadhav. They have refused to communicate to the consular officers the charges against Jadhav and the evidence and other material adduced against him in the so-called trial.